And hi everyone, my name is Salma Bedi Hussein. My metric number 278876. Now, I would like to talk about nature. What is the meaning of nature? Nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world and also to life in general. It ranges in scale from the subatomic to the cosmic. The term nature mainly refers to living plants and animals, geological processes, weather and physics, such as matter and energy. The natural world is an incredible wonder that inspires us all. Our forests, rivers, oceans, and soils provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the water we irrigate our crops with.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izamuddin bin Nasiruddin. My metric number is 280148. So, what is an example of nature? Is it motorcycle is an example of nature? Or a house is an example of nature? No, this boat is not an example of nature.
The example of nature is like forest, river, flora and fauna, soil, and the other else. Furthermore, if someone is exactly a kind person, so this is also an example of nature, which is a person who has a kind nature.
Next, I would like to talk about noise pollution. Noise pollution refers to the unwanted or excessive sounds that can have deleterious effects on the human health, wildlife, and the environmental quality. How noise pollution can happen? Noise pollution is commonly generated inside many industrial facilities and some other workplaces. But it also comes from the highway, railway, and the airplane traffic, and from outdoor construction activities. The effects of the noise pollution can cause attack of stress, fatigue, depression, anxiety, and hysteria in humans, and not only animals too. Second, loud noise also can make a latent effect on our behavior, causing behavior and irritability. Not only that, noise also affects people's ability to focus, which can lead to low performance over time.
Next is soil pollution. My friend, like any other pollution, soil pollution also has a gradually become a significant challenge that we need to overcome immediately.
Soil pollution is referred to contamination of soil with abnormal concentration of toxic substance like trash, poisonous chemical, petroleum hydrocarbon, and the other else.
But what the factor cause the soil pollution is happen?
There are many factors that cause soil pollution, which are wasted produce by giant factory, improper use of pesticide in agricultural land, and the trash that we throw in several places.
what is the effect of soil pollution?
Soil pollution is very harmful to both human and animal, and also to the plant. As the harmful chemical that get into the soil, it can cause cancer, deformities, and many skin problems like scabies.
So, please be attention that soil pollution is not a joke matter in our life.
Now, we are moving on to the nature pollution. First, I want to touch about air pollution. Air pollution refers to the release of pollutants into the air pollutants which are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. What causes of the air pollution? Most air pollution comes from the burning of fossil fuels. Not only that, it also happens due to industrial emissions, indoor air pollution, transportation, open burning of the garbage waste, and many more. The effects of air pollution. Air pollution can cause headaches, dizziness, and nausea. In long term, health effects from it include heart disease, lung cancer, and respiratory diseases such as emphysema. Not only that, air pollution also affects on the environment such as global warming, climate change, acid rain, extinctions of animal species, and so on.
Next is water pollution.
Water pollution occurs when harmful and toxic waste, chemical, or other particles enter water bodies like river, sea, lake, and so on. Get dissolved on them, lie suspended in the water, or get deposited on the bed, resulting in the degradation of the quality of water. Not only harm our aquatic ecosystem, the pollutant also reach the groundwater which might end up in our houses as contaminated water that we use in daily life, including drinking.
The question is, what causes water pollution?
Water pollution can occur sometimes by natural activities such as animal waste, volcano, and floods. Moreover, the garbage that we dump into the river also resulting in polluting the water. Other than that, oil spill, fossil fuel combustion, and chemical fertilizer also can cause water pollution.
Now, we move to the effect of water pollution.
When someone consumes this polluted water, it can lead to disease such as hepatitis that can be fatal. Another major problem, water pollution can cause our ecosystem become damaged as it can kill many animals.
So, what can we do to prevent this pollution? Firstly, we can start with make sure to pick up our trash from our surroundings. Secondly, please save water and produce less waste. And lastly, spread awareness to our family member and friend about the effect of this pollution. So, let's together to take care our nature.
Once we know the effects, you will much more motivated to find out how to save our environment from pollution. So, here are several ways to reduce the pollution. First, keep lots of plants around the house. That means that particularly to start cleaning the air. Second, monitor pollution in your own home and tackle them with an air filter. Third, please avoid using lots of harsh chemicals when you do the cleaning or washing. Walk or use public transport instead of driving. At the same time, you can save your money too. Use a suction fan to remove cooking fumes from your kitchen, and last but not least, you can also conserve energy. This means that you can turn off light and electric appliances when you are not used.